Hi everyone, this is Hero from Scrappy Happy Crafts. I hope you all are doing great today. Today I'm here to share with you my first design team haul from Queencraft. I'll link all the links to the description box below, and you can check out all the products. So basically, this is my first project share and design team haul with queencraft.com, and I saw their website. They have amazing craft supplies. There are lots and lots of dyes, pattern papers, trims, laces, sequins, and other like brads, tools, and other craft supplies as well. Just check out their website. You will find lots and lots of amazing products. This time I ordered sequins from their store, and they are so awesome. I'll share with you what I created as well. First I'll share my products. So it came in this cute packaging. Just check out, all these are packed very well, and they came in this another Ziploc pack. This is their company, queencraft.com. This is the logo. So let me share with you what I have received. Let me bring a tray so that I can show you what I have in here. So here I have this cute little unicorn tray. I'll show you what I have received. Just look at this, guys. Isn't it super awesome? It's holographic, it's sea green and blue kind of color, but I just loved it. So that is that. Okay, this is little hard for me to take in this tray. Maybe I can show you in the packages only. Not a good idea to get this tray. Okay, I don't want to waste that tiny bit of piece as well. So yeah, let me keep this aside. So this is the one. Next is this. It's seashells, stars, heart, moon, other like Mickey shape, like so many different shapes, but it's blue in color, sea blue, like kind of light blue. And again, it's holographic. Just look at that, guys. It's super awesome. And the next is this yellow. The haul is never perfect with a yellow color in it, to be very honest, and I love yellows. So these are the circle shakers. The next is pink holographics. It's kind of similar with the blue, and this is pink. And you get a good amount of, I guess it is 8 grams or something, 8 or 10 grams. So that's that. The next is this white, which goes with everything, and you can mix white with different colors to give it like a more shaker look and kind of more of a transparency look. So yep, white. Next is my favorite. This is letters, alphabets, and this is my most favorite shakers from all of these. Isn't it beautiful? So that's that. I didn't know this was very small amount, but I loved the colors. If you can see here, it comes in different sizes. This is the only product which I received very less amount, but I didn't know if it was like, I think I didn't pay attention to the grams. But yeah, this is also super cute. And just look at them. They smoothly flow over here and there. So your shaker looks beautiful with it. I received a free gift from them. And this is a pink diamond shaker sequence. And lastly, I think I ordered this size of 2, but I received small and large. But it's okay, I can use them. So these are the breads, pull-up breads. And these are best to make top box album. I wanted to create one top box album. I haven't created any yet. So I was looking for these breads and suddenly I found them, queencraft.com, and I was super happy to order these for me. So yeah, this is my Queencraft haul. Hope you liked everything I have ordered. They have dyes and papers and other supplies too. Check them out. Maybe I'm going to order more dyes in my next haul with them. So yeah, please don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to go to their website and browse through amazing products. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.